wet out here. Oh great, please don't get me wet. Come sit over here. Sit, calm, good girl. Hey guys, it's Lydia, and this is a dog that we found, just basically showed up in our yard. She does respond to some commands, so we're thinking she's owned. So she's going to the pound today, and hopefully her owners will go to the pound and find her. Hopefully. She is very hairy. Today guys, I'm going to be trying to show you guys how to do an aerial. Please keep in mind, the ground is very wet. It has been raining and storming all week long, and it's kind of cold. And she's gonna be my photo bomber today. Nope, we're not playing. No. I gotta stretch out my right side, okay? Sit. Sit. Good girl. Who's a good girl? I'm too sick to be doing this. Whoa! Slow down!
When you try your best but you don't succeed, when you get what you want but not what you need.
I am fine, but it's too wet to do anything. I tried. I feel terrible now. Got all hyped up for nothing. It was fun while it lasted, but guys, I nearly broke my toe there. I was so excited too. It's too wet, I'm gonna die. I love you guys so much. Know that I tried. I tried for you guys because I care. Bye guys, I'm so sorry. Don't you like my nails? I love my nails.
But I love it.